Hit the party is going up. Shake that, work that, move that, yeah. She a good girl, but you know she bad though. 1 time, 2 times.
Hey besties, it's me, and today we are back with another freaking video. And today I am going to be doing a super trashy Mcbling Y2K makeup look, the classic makeup look. I'm so excited that like the Y2K trend is kind of over, so the true Y2K girlies can have it to themselves. So if you're watching this and you're still watching it, then hey girl. I am not supposed to be drinking this with my girls in, but I do a lot of shit that I'm not supposed to do. First thing I'm going to do, well, the first thing I did was put on primer. The second thing I'm going to do is dim my eyebrows. I dyed my eyebrows actually, and they're growing in. I'm using the NARS. One of my subscribers, I was telling them about how I wanted to change my makeup because I just don't really like how my makeup turns out. They made a very good point. They were like, this makeup, like the NARS, it's very close to like early 2000s like video vixen makeup. And I was like, you know what, you're so right. So today we are going to be talking about dating. I'm sorry y'all, that's like, well, I mean, what else are we gonna talk about on this channel? I'm so sorry. Y'all know me, I am a Libra. I love, and since I'm not actively dating right now, I feel like I can at least talk about it. I can vent, you know, get a few things off my chest. I'm using the Born This Way concealer. The reason I'm not dating right now is simply because I give up. I am defeated. I feel like, especially in my city, the dating pool is so trash. I live in Memphis, Tennessee. And I feel like the only way I would even start back dating is if I were to just like meet somebody out and about somewhere, which is really hard because I've been told like okay, say for instance, I go on a dating app. I meet somebody, I go on a date. I've had every single one tell me that I'm like so intimidating and that they would never come up to me in person. I feel like it's not just them. I just feel like with like internet culture, dating culture, like the dating apps, I feel like people don't come up to you at all, like regardless of who you are, how you look. Like, I know I may seem intimidating because my type are like other races and I'm a black woman. They're not gonna come up to me. It's just insane to me. I know I most definitely would never go up to anybody. I just feel like my person is just not in this fucking city. Like, there's no way my soulmate is in Tennessee. So I was looking at all of my makeup palettes and I could not find the silver that I wanted to find. So I took a look into my mom's makeup bag and I found this super fucking crusty, dusty makeup, and this is perfect. I'm so excited. Look at this, y'all. But man, let's talk about makeup and being fabulous. This has been saving my life. I got this from the fucking TikTok shop. Wait, I don't even know if it's gonna focus. Anyways, I got this from the TikTok shop and it's like a gel eyeliner. It's like the best thing I've ever purchased. Like, it comes on so smooth, it's so creamy, and it's so bold. I have something I want to talk about. Let's talk about festivals. Okay, so earlier this year I went to Coachella and Bonnaroo. I feel like it's so crazy. My first festival ever was Coachella. Like, I'm so lucky and blessed to be able to go. I never in a million years thought I would go to Coachella. Like, I would always see my favorite YouTubers go. I would just binge watch like everybody's videos. So I am gonna blend that later. The thing is, even if I have money to go, and I'm interested in going somewhere, the problem is always finding people that want to go as well, finding friends, because I don't have any fucking friends. So I kind of just like took a big leap and DM'd this girl that I knew was going. They posted their tickets and they were like, oh my god, we're going to Coachella, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, I'm gonna ask them if I can go. Like, the least they could say is no. I'm just super spontaneous, and I've always liked that about myself, because I know a lot of people just aren't. A lot of people will like never take a leap of faith or never do things they want, and I'm just super blessed to have that trait about myself, because it's never done me dirty. Like, I've never regretted like spontaneously doing something. So I feel like if you're watching this, this is your sign to do whatever the fuck you want to do. Like, hey girl, I know I haven't seen you in like a year, because me and this girl, we met on Tinder actually as friends, and we bonded over being Libra sisters. I love Libras. Like, and she moved to Dallas, Texas, but obviously we're still mutuals on Insta. So I was like, hey girl, like, can I please come? Like, this is my dream. Like, I promise it won't be no weird shit. It's not gonna turn out one of those, like, you know, those trips where you go to Miami with your friends and then you come back and aren't friends. Like, nobody is fucking friends anymore. I was like, I promise it's not gonna be like that. I'm a chill ass bitch. Can I please come? She agreed, and I bought my ticket the next day in full, babes. I was not playing. I really want to go again next year, but they aren't filling the lineup, which is understandable. But I always told myself, regardless of the lineup, I want to go back, because that's how much fun I had. My biggest regret ever, and this is no shade, I promise. My biggest regret was seeing Ice Spice. If I didn't go see Ice Spice, I would have had such a clear view to see Tyler, Creator. Literally, as soon as Ice Spice was done, everybody rushed to the stage Tyler, Creator was at, and I was like, if I had just not seen this bitch, I would have been super close to Tyler, the Creator, because I could have done without that performance. When I tell y'all, it's the same shit you see on the social media, like nothing special, literally just her walking around rapping like she's fucking lip singing on TikTok or some shit. Like, we're gonna do the Fenty Beauty powder. After that, we also went to Bonnaroo. Bonnaroo was super fun. I do kind of want to make a video about festivals, Bonnaroo versus like Coachella. I feel like the crowd is so drastic, like it's not even funny. Like, the people at Bonnaroo are 100% more kind, more nice, and more fun than the people at Coachella. At Coachella, I'm like, damn, my friend group was damn near the only people dancing. So I'm like, what the fuck did y'all come for? To fucking, like, oh my god, the most annoying part about Coachella specifically. Okay, say for instance, Tyler, Creator. I was watching Tyler, Creator. I say I was 3 or 4 people back. So that's why I'm like, I know I could have gotten to the front if I didn't go see Ice Spice, because I left early enough to be like in the 3rd, 4th, like row. But it's the simple fact that I could not see the performance at times because there were so many phones. That's absolutely sad as fuck. Like, how can I see? Because everybody has their phone now. Everybody has their arm up. I'm having to watch the performance through people's phones. next season, I'm gonna be super prepared. I'm actually gonna go ahead and get my Amazon cart ready. But like I said, my friends don't want to go to Coachella, so the only way I would go to Coachella is if I like find people to go with. Cause I kind of wanna, I don't know. I'm trying to see like what I always have a theme for each year. This year's theme was like concerts and like festivals. Okay, blush. This blush is really weird because since I'm brown skin, it kind of doesn't show up. This is Too Faced. I'm just gonna have to load this the fuck up. Okay, had to switch to my iPhone. We're going to do my brows. Palette for my brows because I like this pink in the middle. I'm super excited for next year. I have no clue how 2025 is gonna go. But let's hope it's amazing. You know what? No. What the fuck? It will be amazing. What do you mean, let's hope? I know it's gonna be the best year ever. It will be the best year ever. I can feel it in my bones. Whoa, that's super pigmented. For lips, we're gonna do the Dior gloss, the Victoria's Secret Candy Baby. It literally smells so good. The final look, I definitely am giving 2000. I am about to go do my hair. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. My social media will be down below, so make sure you check me out on that. And yeah.